So we've seen this power down technology previously in the marketplace, and it certainly has been deployed a couple different times. But when it was deployed, most of the time it had a few caveats that made it not work as well as it should. And one of the caveats is the time that it took to bring the disk drives up to active power state and then get the data off. When you're running a file system interface like what we have on DPE, and you had power, if you were trying to use power down disk, you wouldn't be able to get the disk powered up, the RAID set laid atop of it, and then the file system laid atop that, and retrieve the data in the timeouts that a NAS file system uses. So what you end up doing is things like finding file signatures and trying to take little bits of the file and spoon feed back the NAS interface while you're powering up the back-end system. This is similar to what HSM systems do today by spoon feeding back the network file system interface while they're mounting the tape in the back end. With Arctic Blue, we don't have that problem because we're an object storage interface based on HTTP and REST. We can actually take the time that it actually takes to bring the file system up, or bring the drives up, bring the RAID set up, bring the file system up, then send the data back over HTTP. So a big value here is using an object interface with power down disk rather than a file interface with power down disk.